ngoba abanye bayokhala ukuthi kube kuyinini ke mhlaba ekhala asazi, kodwa lona iqiniso lithi bayogcina bekhalile. Uyabona labantu esikhala ngabo thina esithi bangama elite bayasixhaphaza, basebenzela umbuso wobumnyama, bayasigqilaza, bangama ambassadors e-Matrix, konke lokho esikhala ngakho, bazidlisa ukudla oku-unhealthy, bayafuna si-reincarnate, yonke le mess ekhona. The all in a mission, it is the infinite living mind. The all is in all and it's controlling everything. So bona, they are not the exception, they are part of the all. So ithi into bona basebenzela ama entities aye advancile spiritual, kodwa ayitshela ukuthi asile, aseyaphuca amandla ayekade enikezwe wona. Athi mayiphuca lawo mandla akade enikezwe wona ngoba aseyibona ukuthi wona phela aseyikona konke, aseyileyanto ephezulu ekhekheni, esebuyiselwe esigabeni esingemumva. Laba abangama elite basebenzela ama entities a-advanced spiritual, kodwa sesebenzela amandla obumnyama ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngizothini? Yabona uhambo elude kakhulu, that is why ngithi beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Lude kakhulu uhambo, yabo. Let me show you something. All roads are leading upwards from physical to spiritual. Iyala yonke into. Uma kuukuthi khona osebenza early yena, at some point lo muntu by force kumele ukuthi abuyelele emuva, because the all is here, it is not here. In fact, this is where everything started and this is where everything will end, because the main mission ukuthi everything should go back to the all. I'll make a video at some point ukuthi how did the all mentally created all this universe. Mentally, how did things came about, like a mental conceptualization of what happened. The all because it has no form, shape,